So in this video lecture, we are going to provision a S3 bucket. Basically, we are going to create a S3 bucket using the Terraform. So I'm going to open this URL and for you guys, and let me copy this piece of code. I will tell you what exactly this code is doing, and we will create a S3 bucket for us. So let me say s3.tf, this file. I copy pasted the code. So here you can see the resources. The resources, then we are putting the name, which resources we want to be create. Okay. So please remember, whenever you are going to create any new resources into the AWS, you need to put this keyword, the resources. Okay. So resources means you are creating something new. All right. Then you need to define like what kind of service you want to be create. So since we are going to create a service which is S3 bucket, so we need to define like this: AWS S3 bucket. This is a kind of predefined module for AWS, and the P is just a key name. This is nothing. You can put anything. Okay, I put it here the bucket. This is just a key name. Okay, then the bucket name. What kind of bucket you? What is the name of your newly created bucket? So it is. This one, let me edit it. I'm going to put something for me, my Terraform Techmart bucket. Then this is the optional ACL. You want to be it's a public, or it should, the bucket should be the public, or bucket should be the private. This is the optional thing. So I want to, my bucket should be in a private. So I put it the ACL, which is a private. Then I'm tagging it the resources. Okay, the name is my bucket and environment is Dave. You can put anything like the test or anything. This is the tag just for when the billing comes, you should aware about what exactly it is. Okay, so this only 5-6 line of codes. We're going to create your bucket in the S3. Let's create it. First, you need to run a command terraform init. So basically, this command, what exactly this command will do? This command will download all the dependencies to run this terraform code. You can see here it is initializing the provider plugins, right? So since we are using it, the AWS as the provider, so it is downloaded the plugin which is 217.0. So now initialization is completed. Basically, it is downloaded the plugin. So initialization is completed. Let's plan it. Plan is just something like before going, you are creating anything, you are making sure what exactly you will get at the end result. So you can see here, I will have a bucket of the S3, and that bucket name is going to be this one, and the status of the ACL is the private. The other things is also here, like these all are the you can define if you have some custom requirement. So this all S3 is supported, so you can use it. You can use those things. Okay. So once your plan is done, just apply it. So it is going to apply this particular plan, whatever the plan you are here now. So basically, in this plan, you are able to, before going to create, you are just going to verify what exactly the end result will be. Let's put the reason, which is a default one. Accept, yes. Perfect. So you can see here the apply completed, and one resource is added. Right, 0 is under the destroy, and nothing is changed. All right. So let's check our S3 bucket is created or not. You can see here my newly created S3 bucket is available for me. Okay. If I am going to update this code, one more thing before going to update or do anything. Yes, you can see here the dot terraform is the directory and the terraform is tf state is a file. So dot terraform is basically a directory which is created once you run the terraform init. Okay, so under it you will find the plugins, right? The plugin which is the AWS plugin for your provider, and the tf state file is basically this file have your existing state means like what is the name of the you know uh, bucket you have created. Okay, the resource name and the arn and everything is available here. You can see this is the status of my bucket. It is a private one, and this is the ARN of my bucket. This is the name of the bucket. So all the details about the bucket, right? The hosted zone, everything, ID, right? Everything is available into the TF state. So this is basically the Terraform state file. Okay, so if one more thing you need to be noted down, if you have removed the TF state file from here, right? You can't be run the plan again, because at every time when you are running the Terraform plan, it is going to create a TF state file. If it is already created, then it is going to read the TF state file first, then other actions will going to be executed. How we can create a Terraform? We can create a S3 bucket using the Terraform. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss how we can launch a EC2 instance using